Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to redeem a Roblox code. First of all, in order to redeem your Roblox code, launch open a web browser on your device. In the URL box, type in roblox.com/redeem and search. You'll then end up in this login screen for Roblox. Type down your username, email or phone number, followed by a password in the correct text boxes. After you type it down and log in, you will then end up in this Roblox redeem page. Type the promo code or gift code exactly as it appears. After you type it down, click on redeem. You'll get a confirmation message and your reward will be added to your account. If it was a promo code, check your inventory for new items. If it was a gift card, check your Robux balance or premium status. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.